Welcome back, party people. My name is Darrel, and today let's take a look at the features that Brizy has been pumping out over there at ThemeFuse. Now, Brizy has been hard at work. They've been introducing a lot more features, creating a lot more templates, and this company is getting a lot more active installs, and they are getting a lot more customers, mainly because they have the most intuitive free page builder out there. Now, in case you've never used Brizy, let me just tell you what, let's do this here. In case you have never used Brizy, I'm just going to give you a 30-second demonstration on how to actually use this builder. So here I'll just go to plus page and then just make a simple page. And I'll just do like a whatever, something like that, something like that. Now, to be quite honest, this is the fastest free page builder out there. Now, I know Elementor is an alternative free page builder, but let me just give you an example of this builder because some of my viewers have never used Brizy and I don't understand why, because it's one of the more, I would say it's definitely more intuitive than Elementor. So here we have a build a new page, and then I'll just go ahead and select a new block. Just grab this one. You can adjust the padding, you can move stuff around. Very simple, very intuitive. Right here, just add another block like this, so on and so forth. And this has most of the same features as Elementor as well. It has has the blocks, has layouts, it has a pop-up builder. They are introducing a theme builder, and that's the rumors. That's the rumors going around. I don't know if that's true or not, but that's what I've heard. So, but just by looking at this builder, it's incredible, and all this is in their free version, so you can do a lot with it. And I find that this builder is like a combination of Divi and Elementor. It takes the best of both worlds and put it in one page builder. And ultimately, you can have a website up in a matter of seconds with Brizy. And I've actually been using it. And again, I have a full tutorial on it. I will be making another one, but it's just a great page builder that I really recommend. If I had a bug on me or something like that, you guys see it? I don't know. So, but anyways, let's talk about some of the templates they've introduced. So right here we have layouts. Now this company actually has very beautifully designed layouts, and one of the new features is they've actually introduced some, I guess you want to say, one page lead conversion based, kind of like that. And I did recommend some templates for them to make actually. So for those of you who are looking for affiliate marketing templates, these guys are making them, because I know that's a big niche out there, affiliate marketing, like product reviews and stuff like that. So they will be making layouts for that as well. But they've introduced another 14 layouts, so that brings to a total of 41 templates. Now with their blocks, they have over 500 different blocks. So, and the thing I like most about these blocks, again, is that they're fully designed. They have the colors, the images, you get everything that you see. So it's just a very convenient way of building out your site. And you can also build your site like this too, just saying, well, I want to go ahead and build it like this. I want to take this, drag it up there, and then move this up there. And then maybe you want to change the style of your entire website. You can do that simply by just messing around with these options. And what this does, that changes the font and the color throughout your entire website to bring it a certain style, which is the closest thing to UI for web design, I think, Here we have, samurai. What is that? Samurai. So it's like an orange. That's cool. It's like a Mulan kind of thing, right? So anyway, so they've introduced some templates, and I thought that was really cool. Now, another thing they've introduced is the pop-up builder. So they now have a pop-up builder, and I find that the pop-up builder is just really simple to use. So over here under Brizy, you would just go to pop-ups, and then you would just add a new pop-up. And I've already made one. So for example, right here, I'll just do pop-up. We'll do pop-up 2, and then edit with Brizy. Now they actually do have a full library of pop-ups that are already made that just look like amazing. So these right here are their pop-ups. And again, you have full access to all of these right here. And the reason why I prefer these more than Elementors is because, these are just, look at them. They're beautiful. It's so convenient to have all this at your disposal. So let's say, for instance, you are, what is this right here? What is that? What is that? An organic drink. Okay, well, we got an organic drink right here. So I'll just click on publish there. Publish, update, etc. Okay. There we go. All right, cool, done. All right, and then over here, I'm gonna go back to dashboard. Now they also have, over here really quick before I talk about the pop-ups, they also do have sign-up forms and also contact forms as well as part of their block. So they've actually made, there's the pop-up, they've actually made fully designed login forms. So let me go ahead and just kind of go over this really quick and just show you, because a lot of companies don't even have login form templates, and Brizy does. So over here, I'll just add a new block, and I believe it is under the contact, and here we have sign in. So they have some sign-in forms where, you know, it's fully made for you, and then people would just enter in their stuff and go ahead and log in. They also have email opt-in forms as well. So over here under block, we have the contact section, and then they have something like this right here, and that right there, etc. So they've introduced, you know, the pop-up builder, and you can also trigger the pop-up builder as well. So let me just give you a quick demonstration of the pop-up builder. So for example, right here, I'm just going to go ahead and add in a button really quick, right here. Just drag it right there. Now right here, what we can do is we can actually go ahead and trigger the pop-up if someone decides to click on this, which makes it super convenient and super easy. So right here under this little link right here, we have pop-up. And then right here, you can actually go ahead and just select the pop-up. So for example, right here, I'll just say 25% off. And then I'll update it. Now, when someone clicks on that specific button, the pop-up will trigger. So let me see if I can actually do this through the actual backend here. So here, I'll go to preview page really quick and see if this works out. My internet is running a little slow, so that's the cons about being on wireless all the time. But I will get a standard connection soon. So there's the pop-up, but right here, if I click on button, you can see that the pop-up will now display. So you can put this virtually anywhere you want. So, and you can build your own pop-ups from scratch. You don't have to use the templates, but they just give you such a large variety of templates for pop-ups. I figure, what the hell, you know, like you might as well use these pop-ups. So it's a very convenient method. I love the interface. I think that Brizy, like once they have the theme builder, it's going to be Elementor's biggest competitor, because it's just a super easy UI. I mean, it's convenient, it's easy, and they have tons and tons of integrations. Now, also, they've introduced the recent contact form. Now, the contact form is actually a little bit more robust than Divi's, because it actually has the file upload feature, and unfortunately, I don't think Divi offers that. I know Elementor's contact form offers that, but I don't think that Divi's does. So right here, we'll go ahead and go to contact, and then right here, we'll go to something of just a basic contact form. And here's the contact form. Now, they've added so many features in this, and they have tons of integrations. So now they actually have leads. They have leads, and they have a bunch of other stuff. So what you can do here now is you can have it go directly to your MailChimp account. You can have like a lead generation. You can have all sorts of stuff. So right here, you can select file, and then you can select the amount of the amount of file size, because you don't want people to upload like 100 MB of stuff. And I love this feature. You know, I love the fact that they've actually have the max file size, because that's a very it's very clever, you know, because you might get guys who upload 50 MB and you're like, dude, what are you doing? You know, they're like, whoa, I didn't know. And here you also can actually have the file type. So for example, if you don't want SVGs being uploaded, you can just say, you know what, I just want PNGs and JPEGs or GIFs or something like that. So this feature right here is just really incredible. They've really been hard at work, and I'm very interested to see when the theme builder comes out, because they've just been pumping out a bunch of just beautiful products or beautiful updates, and I'm just like, man, like once the theme builder comes out, it's going to be the biggest competitor to Elementor. But the contact form is it's very robust. So I'm not going to go through every single feature, but then again, they do have a lot of integrations right here with email, apps, and they also have the newest feature, which is the reCAPTCHA. So that's actually really cool. Looks like here, oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, it's being weird. Oh, you guys didn't see all of this. So I'm sure it's just the page or whatever, but here's all the different integrations, and it works very seamlessly with all of these companies. The email right here, you can have it go directly to your Gmail. You can make your own, or even have go to WordPress. And then again, the reCAPTCHA, where you can actually have the reCAPTCHA where people have to you know, click the butts in to know that they're not a robot. Because today, man, you just get a bunch of spam, you know, and I get spam all the time, but the reCAPTCHA will really help protect the spam, and it'll prevent, it should prevent DDoS attacks. I'm pretty sure reCAPTCHA does prevent DDoS attacks. I'm not too sure, but it's always good to have. So again, these features have been pumped out by Brizy, and I think over time you're just going to see a lot more features come out. And the company's just been hard at work pushing out a lot of amazing features, and they look very promising, to be honest, because the page builder is so intuitive. And once the theme builder comes out, I will be having a separate video on Brizy talking about the theme builder, and also be showing you how to make a website and also an e-commerce website with Brizy. They do actually have another module with the product, and it actually displays the products like you know, when you click on a product page, it shows the entire product. They actually have a module for that, so you can place it anywhere. It's actually really, really cool. So if you're looking to build an e-commerce website, they do actually have a lot more widgets for e-commerce. So be sure to check that out. Now, if you have any questions for me, if you want to know anything about the Brizy page builder, again, I think that it's a great, solid page builder. It's just super convenient. It's very easy to make websites with Brizy. It's also very fast. So it's not like it's not a slow builder. It's not glitchy whatsoever. They also do have lazy load implemented for, I believe it's the contact form, or I believe it's, I'm not really sure. I believe they do have the lazy load feature. I think they were talking about that in one of their videos I was watching, so I'll be sure to check that out. But again, you know, their layouts are beautiful, and I just find that if you're looking for a page builder, whether you're using Elementor or Divi, I think Brizy's a very solid pick. It's just so damn convenient, you know? So I'd be sure to check out Brizy. Let me know in the comments if you've ever used Brizy, if you have any problems with Brizy, if you like Brizy, if you hate it, if you plan on switching over or you don't want to switch over. Let me know in the comments below. My name is Darrel Wilson, and I will see all of you party people in the next video.